Flashing. Okay. So, like a handshake. And most of the time when we have a thumb injury, it's because that got pulled like that. They fall, get caught, something like that. Ball hits them. And so you want to keep them here. And just like we talked about with turf toe, it's this joint, the MCP, that we're concerned with. A lot of people try to get this joint involved, and obviously it's good to stabilize that, but you really want to make sure this joint is out of harm's way, is out of that vulnerable position of getting, guess that, I know I'm terrible at thumb motions. This would probably be ABD. Because flexion and extension, it's really tough for me. But that's what happens. You get caught, you get hit, get pulled this way. So we want to prevent that. So what you're going to do is the trick I made is how you want to pull the thumb is how you start the tape. So if I want to pull it this way, I start like this. So go ahead and put it back. So you start on the wrist, right there. You can go around twice, it doesn't matter. So then you go around, cover that MCP, and you can do the little squeeze. And then here, that's okay. So then you tug down. And then you make the spica. I'll make a tug down. And then we'll go over one more time. Tug down. And there it is.